Hey guys, welcome to Operation Crypto. This is a price analysis video on Zilliqa. We'll take a look at both USDT and the BTC pairings, and we'll start off by taking a look at the last video I did, because I did mention a few key levels where we should invest, and we have hit those in this green area of support here. So we'll take a look at that, and then we'll look at both some areas to buy and some areas to target if you're looking to sell, take profit, or just accumulate. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. So welcome, this video is in partnership with Cointelegraph's Markets Pro. If you want to get one step ahead of the game, go ahead and check their platform out. You'll find that link in the pinned comment and the description. This is a previous video I did on Zilliqa, and I mentioned a few buy zones. I did mention this area support here, but I did say you need to ladder them down really from around 10 cent all the way down to this region here, and we've been down and wicked into it. So if you're looking at this current chart here, so this is the area we've come down. 10 cent was here, and that was the area I was looking to invest, but I did say ladder some down, and just in case we did come back down to this area of support here, because if you look, it's been a key area: support, resistance, support here, support there, so it did show that was a key level. And then what happened here on the 20th of September, my birthday, Bitcoin dumped again, didn't it? So the price dropped, and nothing to worry about. I mean, if you look at the entire move there from the bottom of the move up to that top, we did a 61% retrace, and we had no closures below that. It is a key area of support and that golden ratio level. So for me, this is a strong buy, and I believe that this is a bottom now. It's coming up towards the end of September. Knocking the mic, has been historically a bearish month for cryptocurrency. That is now coming to an end, and October through to December has always been the most bullish months for cryptocurrency, especially during those bull cycles. So for me, I think this is a bottom. I can't see us dropping much lower. I can't see us getting any daily closures below 8.3 cents. So buy it up while you can. It's been quite quiet really, Zilliqa, hasn't it? I mean, the other layer ones like Avalanche, Polkadot, Solana have seen some monumental gains. Zilliqa has not yet to perform massively. I mean, we've had that major boost up here to 25 cent. We've done quite a big retracement. How much did we drop in all from the top to the bottom? We did an 80% drop, which is nothing to worry about. Most projects did do that. So for me, in terms of buy zones, I would say that this is the area to buy. I mean, if we do get another shakeout, just look at this. We'll put the 786 level on. There's always a possibility it could come down and test that 6.9 cent. So just be wary that we could come down to that level. So if you're looking for some buys, personally, if you're not in yet and you're wanting to buy, I would pretty much market buy around here. But keep a few orders spare, few tethers on the side, and maybe put a couple orders at 6.9 cent just in case the market does drop. But for me, I think it's up only from here. The market's starting to look good. We pushed up to 44k today in terms of Bitcoin, and I'm expecting that to push up to 45 and close above this area of resistance here. Once we do close above 44k, 45k, I think the cycle will be back in good strength. So that is the areas where I will buy. If you're looking to take some profit off the table, the first major area is here. This is a solid area of resistance up at around 13 cent. In the meaning, if you're managing to buy at this region now and you take some profit off the table there, that's a 57% gain just from that move up to that next major level of resistance. So definitely it is a good shout for buy now. And if you're looking for a trading setup in terms of a long position, if you look to buy here, potentially market buy, only low leverage, fax 5 maximum, I'd have a stop loss around 5%, and then try and target that region up here. In a long swing trade, don't expect this overnight, this could be a long swing trade, so potential entry there at around 8.4 cent, have a stop loss around 7.8 cent, and then go up and target this region here at about 13.1 cent. I think that could be a decent area for you to target, because, I mean, you could say what we are forming now is a bit of a downward triangle. I mean, should you say there's a good potential that we could break out to upside there now. So fingers crossed. Let's see what goes on there. It's not the best, but things, in my opinion, are ready to pop up, and we've seen quite a long period of sustained selling pressure now. So let's try and aim for some nice long positions here and see how the market goes. So things looking good there. We have dropped, but nothing to worry about. I just want to throw a bit of a price prediction in here too. If you look at this entire move, so from the top of it all the way to the bottom, fibs are getting a bit crazy now, but you'll see where I'm coming. Look at a few levels above. Usually the 2.272 region is a nice area to target, so that is a short-term target for me over the course of the next 8 to 10 weeks, I would say. And then going in towards the end of the cycle, I've got some levels up at 75 cents, $1, 141. And I honestly think it can be pushing multiple dollar. Remember, it's only got around 10 billion in circulation. Add that to a market cap, and you're talking at $2, it'd be worth around 20 billion. So could be a good. I think actually it might be about 13 billion. I should take a quick look, just so I'm not talking absolute bullshit here. Have a look at Zilliqa. We have 12.5 billion. So $1 per asset would make it a $12.5 billion market cap, and then obviously up at $2, you'd be talking around a $25 billion market cap. So I think that's definitely achievable over the course of this cycle. So let's see if we can just get some buys in now, hold long term, and you will be a massive benefit from that. Just take a quick look at a BTC pair. This is what I was expecting last time. We had that major move to the upside. I was expecting some buys down here at this 618 level. You can see it's starting to fade away now. That is because Bitcoin itself is starting to regain a bit of territory. I mean, it's been up in terms of, let's have a look at growth. Bitcoin percentage from the bottom. So far we made a 12% recovery. Whenever the Satoshis start, when BTC starts to go up, Satoshis start to go down on altcoins. So that's what you're seeing here now. We currently sat this purple level is a weekly level of support, so that could be the bottom now. But just remember, if Bitcoin does go on another rally and starts pushing 50k over the course of the next couple of weeks, and you might get some orders filled down here at around 169 Satoshis. Massive area of support down here. Can't see it going much lower, to be honest. So if you're wanting to buy in Satoshis, put some orders down here. I think that would be a nice area for you to pick up some cheap ZIL in the Satoshi pairs. If you're looking to take some profit though, first major level here is at 308 Satoshis. That is a monthly level of resistance, and that is an area I would be looking to take some profit off the table at some stage, whether you're wanting to grow your Bitcoin or you're wanting to grow your Zilliqa by using Bitcoin. So completely up to you, but that's going to pretty much do it for today's video. A little bit of a trading setup there. Buy zones, honestly, I'd just market buy all the way down to 6.9 cent if the market did allow, and then take profit regions is the first one at 13 cent, and that could be where you take profit, either TP1 or you can now your TP2 a little bit higher up at maybe at this 16 cent region. But for me, I think the good times are still yet to come. Hold on for dear life, because things are going to start to get crazy in my opinion. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.